Good morning, and thank you for joining me, Coach Mike, on your Monday morning. Most importantly today, I'd like to wish everybody a happy Memorial Day. This is a day that most of us, most likely out by the pool, at the beach, on our boats, scuba diving, fishing, hanging out, at the park, picnicking, cooking burgers, dogs, jumping in the pool, just sitting back, drinking ice cold ones, having fun, being with those that we love. Now, when I think of Memorial Day, and what we need to think of is those who gave it all, that sacrificed themselves for our freedom to have days like today. The young brave men and women that have sacrificed their lives to defend our freedom. That's why we have this day. And there's two words I think of when I think of this day. I think of loyalty and I think of dedication. When a young man or a woman involves themselves to serve for our country, in whatever branch of the service that may be, it's loyalty to our country, defending our honor, defending what they believe in. So ask yourself as a business owner, as far as loyalty, when somebody's in the service, and I've never been, so I can only speak of what I understand, is they're there for each other. They're there for the person next on either side of them. They have loyalty in each other. They will take themselves and put themselves out there to protect those that are next to them, those that are behind them. That's tremendous loyalty. How can we learn from these young, brave men and women for us to serve our purpose and our organization to our clients and our team? Dedication. When someone serves in one of the branches, it's dedication to the team, to the mission. It's all about the outcome. It's all about getting the job done. Dedication. So all gave some gave all. And the reason we celebrate a day like today is of those who gave all. Now, a challenge to all of you listening today. There's an organization called the Military Heroes Foundation that I give a portion of my proceeds away every year. And it's an organization that pools money to send packages overseas to our men and women, and also pools money in the United States. So when they come home and need assistance, there's money there to help. So anybody that just puts in the comment box below, Happy Memorial Day, I'll give some, I will donate $10 to the Military Heroes Foundation. So as many as you, please put your comments in. For every comment in there that says Happy Memorial Day, I'll give some, I'll donate $10 to the Military Hero Foundation. Hopefully, there's a ton of you listening today. Hopefully, you all put your comments in there, and I get a string of comments in my comment box today, will force me to send a bunch of money to that foundation. So today, Happy Memorial Day. Don't forget why we celebrate this day. Honor those who gave their all, that showed the loyalty and the dedication, and learn from them of how you can reciprocate that loyal and dedication to everyone around you, both personally and professionally. Thank you for joining me, Coach Mike, on your Monday morning. Happy Memorial Day. I'll see you next Monday.